This drawing is available in Telegram on CADDology channel. Now we select the top plane, make a center rectangle, with dimension of 60 by 40. And make a center arc we create a circle also of diameter 16 mm, radius 8. Now pad 12 mm. Base is done. Then complete the above portion. I am creating a construction line for reference. In Catia software, for reference from existing drawing, you need to make a construction line. Similarly, we create a circle of 16 mm diameter and then pad in reverse direction inside. Now select a pad and select center plane for performing mirror tool. Above portion is completed. Starting below. You can see the drawing. The dimension given from this point is 60 mm. Again arc and then trim. Circle of 16 mm diameter or a 8 mm radius. Direction is reverse. The drawing is completed.